Worry no more. Amotia hene juju calabach is here to help solve whoever needs his financial problem. As you can see, there are physical cash dollars, 10,000 bundles of dollars, food, $100,000 bundles sealed in the rubber. So whoever needs Amotia hene juju calabach service can contact me on 0547 12212. The number once again 0547 12212. Okay, 100,000 notes of $10,000 seal. So we are not joking here. Whoever is interested with Amotia hene juju calabach financial service can contact me, and your problem will be something of the past. Understand? Nana Amotia hene juju calabach is here to help solve whoever needs his spiritual help. I hope you can see it.